Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of invert colors. And if the invert colors didn't work, and I explained earlier that this is a fill and a line, this is just, it's even got gray, I don't understand that. But this is their line. Let me delete that. I don't see how that could be any color gray. But anyway, this worked. So let me bring the gray box back. Pretty important. And we're going to use find and replace. I'm using 2018 because I just did a video on find and replace the other day. And I actually find that this is a little easier. Well, I'm more used to it. So we're going to find fills first. Uniform fills. Next. Go down and specify color. Doesn't matter what color this is because you're going to use your color eyedropper and you're going to hit OK. You're going to X out of color. You're going to hit next, next, find all, then X out of it and nudge that over. So that's all of our fills. Now we need to go to find and replace. And this is only if the other way didn't work. So this time we're going to find outlines, outline properties. Next, colors. Get our color eyedropper and pick that color right there. X out of the color. Next, finished. Find all and then X out of there and move it over. But we move both of them over. But we can grab this one now and move it back. Now we've got the exact same thing, but now we can make this black. And I'm right-clicking, left-clicking because it did them both. And this was I don't think that's right. I'm left-clicking now. No, I actually right-clicked. Right-clicked the outline because the second one was our outline. And we move it over. We can see now it's a black font. I can actually see that this, and also our stars are still white. I don't know what's going on there. If we move this, I can see 2 lines. That might be what the problem, well, actually there's a double line there, one on top of each other. But as you move that, you can see this line. So that's part of our problem right there, is this is made up of lines instead of, it's 2 hairlines. So if you wanted something that thickness, I would just pick that thickness instead of having a fill. That's what part of the problem is. I don't know why that white or that star is white in the middle. It must be grouped together. No. I don't know why it did not pick that white. But you can very easily fix something that easy for the person I'm trying to help here. Is you only got those stars, just take away the white. Just by, well, take the white and actually add black. So we're just going to change them to the fill to black instead of white. So I'm just clicking on each star, and you could do this all at one time, holding down the shift key, selecting your stars. So there's 3, 4. Looks like I got the box. Let me start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And right down here it tells you 7 objects. And then just make them black. That's the one reason you want to do a yellow box trick. In this particular case, the gray actually helped. But this is a transparent black. Now just be careful. And don't cut this out because you've got some hairlines inside there. So don't put a border around it and try to cut it. If you're just going to engrave it, that's fine. But with this double hairline, those would cut out. That's why I was saying earlier, you just got, and you're also in CUMYK. That might either be me, whoever sent me a file, or your file. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.